So how it is going now?
It's going pretty well. We had a good run. We've got one more game left, and we're going to give it our all.
Okay. And coming to GW, what about the arrangements and what about the organizing thing and what you feel?
Well, I think this tournament's been really well organized. The teams were given a good format. We had good teams to play against, so we gained a lot of experience. As I said, we just set up the team, and there were other teams who were already here, who were very professional, who've been playing well. So it's been a good experience for us. We've learned a lot, and overall it's been a lot of fun. The arrangements are perfect. We were provided with a lot of food, a lot of refreshments. The pitch was brilliant. It was fun to play. There were lights everywhere. So I think it was organized really professionally. So we were really impressed.
Yeah. And what are the things made more interactive and more fun-loving for you people?
I think so. When you're young, right? When you're in school or you're in college, playing becomes much easier because everybody is doing it in the evening. You find a couple of friends get together, and they become kind of your group you play with. But as you grow up and you start working, it's very difficult to find like-minded people to get together and play every weekend or every day. Every day is almost impossible. But every weekend you want to play, and no matter how old you get, you're going to love sports. You're going to love football. You want to play, and so this is pretty interesting by GW that you get to find other teams, find like-minded people, get together with them. So that takes the entire process of finding people much easier and playing much more fun.
The prime motto is getting all the events into one platform. This GW, like professionals, IT professionals, getting into one platform and go ahead. And what are the points you want to include so that we can improve more?
I think most of all, you can have more tournaments. That'll be great because there are a lot of teams who we know who play in Hyderabad who haven't been able to make for this tournament, but they're sure they're going to come for the next one now. So the more tournaments you include, the more teams you get, it'll be better. And then we're probably going to play one of these few teams again as practice now, because now we've got to know them because of this event by GW. And maybe if we have integrated with the rest of the country, and then we can start having corporate tournaments which are like intercities and all, just keep growing the entire platform. So there are a lot of people here who are really good, and it's just that they've gotten into corporate jobs and all. Doesn't mean they love football or they love any other sport less. So who knows, we might just find the next person for the Indian team from here.
Yeah, that was a great thing. Yeah, we do have, and we are growing up rapidly. And what about the new friends and new mates which you came here and you interacted? They have met strangers for you yesterday, and today it was fun-loving and talking to them. And what was your experience with the new people?
Yeah, so as I said, they're very professional. A lot of people, so we learned a lot from them. And we've got people now. We can hit them up and we can play with them over the weekends. And moreover, we didn't even know that there were so many teams who were they came here in jerseys, they came here in groups. Uber had 2 teams, stuff like that. So we just glad we got to interact with them and learn a lot more.
And what about the events and what about the arrangement infrastructure over here in Orbit?
Oh, I think. So this is a brilliant place to play. First of all, the first thing that gets you're playing at such a height. You get a nice view of Hyderabad and the IT city here. But more than that, the pitch is brilliant. I think it's a FIFA qualified pitch. Running on it, it doesn't get you injured. You can run smoothly on it. Nice tackles, get the ball flows pretty well. The quality of balls that you have here, they're also pretty good. The proper air. The referees are very professional. Half the times we didn't even know what they were signaling. We didn't understand because we don't play that often, but they were right there, and the game was taken off in a very good fashion. So overall, it was a lot of fun to play this tournament.
And coming to the challenges, as you told, you are new to this and you are getting to know many things. And what are some challenges you faced in this tournament?
I think first of all was fatigue, because we haven't played. So we set up the stream on Friday. We had one practice game here, and then Saturday we came in and we were playing 2 days in a row, and we were already tired because we haven't been doing that in a regular fashion. And that is also because we haven't had other teams to practice against. We haven't had a platform like GW that will get us all together. And now that we have, I think going forward it's going to be easier. And as more we play, I think we'll be more integrated together as a team.
And what about how you rate GW out of 10?
Out of 10, I think I'll give them 10. This has been a great experience.
Okay, it's nice talking to you and nice meeting you.
Thank you.